When I travel and I'm not eating my own food, I can sometimes struggle with heartburn. Howdy, my name is Izzy Aldridge. I'm going to show you how to do the diaphragm breath. This is a technique you should do sitting down because sometimes you might feel lightheaded. It's very simple. You're going to take your left hand and you're going to put it right on your stomach, right below your rib cage. And then you're going to take your right hand and place over it. You're going to tuck your elbows in like so. Then we're going to take a deep breath in and we're going to hold that breath. And while we're holding that breath, we're going to push our stomach towards our hands, and our hands are pulling towards our stomach so that you get a big compression. When you exhale, exhale your breath nice and slow. This prevents you from getting dizzy or too dizzy. So let's do this together. Left hand, right hand on top of it, tuck in your elbows, deep breath in, and hold your breath. Now, if you got really dizzy on that one, just take a minute. You can even do a hookup where you pull your belly button and your third eye with your middle fingers. Just take a couple deep breaths there, but that means you need it even more. So let's do that again. Left hand at the bottom of your rib cage, right hand over it, tuck your elbows in, deep breath. Hold and press. So your stomach is being pressed towards your hands are pressing against your stomach, and release your breath. Doing this at least 3 times is really helpful. And if you really suffer from heartburn, the more you do this, the better you will start feeling, and that heartburn will start going away. This really oxygenates all of your cells. It prevents disease to take hold. It's definitely one of my go-to every single day. Until next time, keep moving energies.